Hi friends, in this video we will learn about generic method in Java. So generic method in Java is a method that can work with different data types while ensuring type safety. We can create generic methods by declaring type parameters that act as placeholders for the actual data types. So let's see one basic how to let's see the syntax for generic method. Let's see how to define generic method. Okay, so let's proceed. Public, here t, this is the type parameter t, and I am giving the method name as my generic method. Okay, and parameter type t input. Okay, and we can write here method logic and return input. Okay, so in this way we can define a generic method in Java. Now let's break down this method. Here uh, this is that placeholder. Okay, this is the placeholder for type parameter t, which declares a type parameter t. Okay, so this is the declaration of the type parameter t. It specifies that the method is generic and can work with data of an unspecified type t. Okay, this is the return type of the generic method. It indicates that the method returns a value of type t, which is the same as the type parameter declares with this t in angle brackets. Okay, this is the method parameter declaration, which represents the method parameter list. In this case, t is the type of the parameter and input is the name of the parameter. Okay, t is used as the type of the parameter, which indicates that input can be of any data type specified when you call the method, and input is the name of the parameter which you can use within the method's body to reference the value that's passed to the method when it's called. Okay, so friends, this makes the method generic and allows it to work with various data types while maintaining type safety. And the actual type of t is determined at the point of invocation when you call the method and provide an argument of a specific data type. Okay friends, so now let's see an code example for generic method. I'm going to delete this demo method. So let's proceed. Let's define method with let's define method with name find max. Okay, so public static t extends comparable interface type parameter t. Okay, again type parameter t, write the name of the method as find max. and parameters are t, small a, capital T and small b. Okay, now let's complete our method body. If a dot compare to, if a dot compare to b is greater than 0, then return a. Okay, else curly brackets return b. Okay friends, compare to, I have misspelled here, correct that, compare to. Okay, let's save the code. Now friends, first of all let's understand about this line. Okay, so here we have a generic max calculator class with generic method. This is our generic method name, find max. Okay, so the method is this method is designed to find the maximum of two values. Okay, we have defined this method to find the maximum of two values, and it can work with values of any data type that implements the comparable interface. Okay, so this method can work with values of any data type that implements the comparable interface. Now about this angle brackets and t extends comparable of parameter type t. This syntax in the method signature restricts the method to work with types that are comparable, means they have natural ordering like integers, double or strings. Okay, and this a dot compare to method is used to compare two values of type parameter t, and the maximum value is returned. Okay, now friends, let's go into main method. And initialize find max method with different data types using variables. Okay, so let's proceed. Integer int result. I am initializing variable int result to method find max with parameters 5 and 8. Okay, make m small here. Okay, similarly initialize again find max method to double data type with variable name double result. Okay, write the method name find max, pass the parameters as 3.14 and 2.71. Okay, again initialize that find max method with string variable string result. Again call the method find max. Now let's pass the parameters here as apple, banana, banana. Okay friends. Now friends, let's do write the code to get the output. Pass the message as maximum integer, okay, plus, which means we will get the maximum integer, and pass the variable name as int result. Similarly, for double result, maximum double plus double result, variable name double result. Okay, again for maximum string, okay, plus string result. Save the code. Now friends, we have done with our code. Our code is complete now. So let's run our code. So friends, in this way we can use this find max generic method to find the maximum integer, double and string. So here is our output. Our maximum integer is 8 from 5 and 8, and maximum double is 3.14 from 3.14 and 2.71, and maximum string is banana. Okay, so friends, this is all about how to use and create a generic method in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel CodeGP. Please help to grow my channel. Please make worth my efforts. Please add value to my efforts. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.